And today's agenda, we'll just talk about what OpenVX is. Like Neil's already mentioned, we're a computer vision API. I'll just go over what an API we are. And we'll talk about the latest OpenVX version, which is the 1.3.1. I'll give you like a quick overview. So I won't like walk you down with all the functions, just give you an overview of what we have. We'll talk about the conformance process and why it's important and what to expect when you hear an implementation is conformant. And then we'll look at some of the vendor applications and see what they've been using OpenVX. Because OpenVX is used in a lot of places, but when you see a product, they don't market it as OpenVX. So I wanted to just go over all these products as using OpenVX underneath. And then we'll quickly go over like a open source platform application and see what you could do today going home and just downloading a GitHub project and trying out. And then we'll just talk about OpenVX future work, and then we'll summarize the talk. So all right, OpenVX is an open royalty-free API, and the basic idea is for cross-platform acceleration for computer vision applications, right? And it's a high-level graph abstraction API, like Neil was mentioning. And the main aim for us is to be portable and efficient vision processing API.